Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make photo shuffle wallpaper on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper. Then click on add new wallpaper. Under add new wallpaper, locate and click on photo shuffle. Then this is going to pop different photos on your iPhone. You can use people or nature or go ahead and use album. Then click on select photo manually, click on all. Now go through and select the photo you want to use as your shuffle wallpaper. Make sure to select multiple photos. As you can see, I have selected 7 photos. Click on add at the top right, then hang on. Then you should see the photo like this. Now for you to preview the photo or choose options you want to use the shuffle wallpaper, go ahead and click on these 3 dots and then select hourly, daily or on tap. Once you click on tap, each time you tap your iPhone screen, then this is going to change the wallpaper. Click on add at top right, then hang on for this to save. Now go ahead and click on set as customized wallpaper or customize home screen. So set as wallpaper appear. Now that is it. Now to use shuffle wallpaper, then you can verify this on the lock screen, tap on it, then you should see your wallpaper changed like this. So that's exactly how you can easily make photo shuffle wallpaper on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.